Karabalta, a small town in northern Kyrgyzstan near the Kazakh border, is more of a transit hub than a major tourist city. While luxury hotels are limited, Karabalta offer a mix of simple hotels and family-run guest houses where travelers can experience authentic Turkish hospitality. There are the top 10 hotels and guest houses in Karabalta. The first one is Karabalta Hotel. Karabalta Hotel is one of the town's most established chains, offering simple but reliable accommodations. Rooms are clean, functional, and equipped with essentials like Wi-Fi, heating, and private bathrooms. The hotel has a small restaurant serving Kurdish and Russian dishes. Its central location makes it convenient for accessing shops, transports, and local markets. Guests appreciate the safe environment and steady service, a practical option for both short and long stays. The second one is Silk Road Guest House. This guest house blends simplicity with charm, providing cozy rooms decorated with traditional Kyrgyz touches. Guests enjoy home cooked meals, especially fresh dairy and local stews. The family-run atmosphere makes the stay warm and personal. Located near the main road, it is ideal for travelers in transit. The peaceful courtyard is perfect for relaxation after long journeys. It's a cultural and comfortable experience at affordable price. The third one is Central Inn Karabalta. Central Inn is a small but modernized hotel located in the heart of the town. Rooms are neat with Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and private bathrooms. The property also offers parking and a small cafe. Guests highlight the professional yet friendly staff and easy access to the bus station. It's particularly popular among business travelers and solo tourists. A dependable mid-range choice. The fourth one is Alameddin Guest House. Known for its friendly charm, Alameddin Guest House provides clean, simple rooms with warm hospitality. These are available on request, often featuring local specialties. Guests enjoy the quiet surrounding and mountain views from the property. The hosts are very welcoming, often helping with local travel guidance. It's a great fit for travelers looking for authentic Kyrgyz culture in a home-like setting. The fifth one is Riverside Hotel Karabalta. Set near a small river, Riverside Hotel offers a peaceful atmosphere away from the busy town center. Rooms are comfortable with modern amenities and waiting for colder months. The hotel's restaurant specializes in regional cuisine, especially meat dishes. Guests enjoy evening walk by the riverbank, the natural setting at each sound, making it perfect for those who want relaxation alongside convenience. The next one is Aksu Inn. Aksu Inn is a budget-friendly hotel offering functional rooms for short stay. Facilities include Wi-Fi, private bathrooms, and breakfast service. The property is modest but clean, making it ideal for backpackers and budget travelers. Its location close to public transport make it easy to move onward to Bishkek or Kazakhstan. Guests highlight the good value for money, a simple and effective base in Karabalta. The next one is the Last Road Guest House. This guest house is especially convenient for those heading toward the last or Kazakhstan. Rooms are basic yet comfortable, and hosts provide hearty, home-cooked meals. The atmosphere is warm, often making guests feel like part of a family. The location along the highway make it ideal for overnight transit stops. Travelers appreciate the affordability and friendliness here. The next one is Victory Hotel Karabalta. Victory Hotel is a small modern property offering well-kept rooms with essential amenities. It includes parking, Wi-Fi, and a small restaurant. The staff are polite and helpful, often assisting with local travel arrangements. Guests like its organized environment and consistent service. It is a reliable option for both business and leisure travelers. The second last is Guest House Nomad Karabalta. Guest House Nomad emphasizes cultural experience, offering rooms decorated with Farsi textiles and traditional designs. Guests enjoy a hearty breakfast, often with fresh bread and homemade jams. The hosts are very welcoming and love sharing stories about Kyrgyz traditions. The location is quiet, making it ideal for travelers looking for peace. It's a favorite among cultural travelers and backpackers. The last one is Panorama Guest House. As the name suggests, Panorama Guest House offers lovely views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. Rooms are modest but clean with private or shared bathrooms depending on budget. The terrace is perfect for enjoying sunsets. Guests love the homemade meals and warm hospitality of the hosts. It is an excellent choice for those who want affordable comfort with a silvery touch. Karavalta may not be a major tourist destination, but its hotel and guest houses reflect the warmth and hospitality of Kaza's life. From reliable options like Karavalta Hotel and Central aims to cultural stay like Silk Road Guest House and Nomad. Each property offers something unique.